Welcome, everybody, to the February 22nd, 2021 edition of Wall Street Winners. Love having you here. Well, the market got rocked a little bit. Oh, we didn't get rocked with this, though. That was fantastic. So the market came down a little bit. I mean, no big deal, really, but look at the purple predictor. That's that purple line up there, and it shows really what the smart money's doing, and the smart money is taking profits right now. They're bailing out of their S&P stocks, and they're putting it someplace else. Now, that's what this is saying. But what happened was, let's follow this. This is very interesting what developed this last week. And the reason you're watching Wall Street Winners is because you want to see what's really going on. And because of my 50 years of trading experience, I can share with you who's doing what to whom. Here, follow along. Smart money, selling. But you can see in the upper right-hand corner, the little red line shows that there's not a lot of selling pressure. In fact, selling pressure is going down. Now, buying pressure is also going down. Okay, so let's follow along. Not a big increase in selling pressure, but the smart money's selling, which means if total selling is flat, smart money is selling, that means that dumb money is buying. Let's keep following along here. Okay, NASDAQ, not so much dumb money, smart money selling. There was some. You can see that the purple line was above the price action at the beginning of the week and below. So a little bit of selling in the tech sector, but mainly what the smart money was selling was the broad stock market. Seasonality remains bullish, so that's good. We'll keep hanging on to that. Utilities, really neutral. Now, the seasonality says there's 5 lines there, okay? But the key one are the red and the purple down at the bottom, because those are the ones that most fit the presidential cycle. And you can see that the first year of a Democratic president in this period is bearish. And if we say the post-election year after the incumbent party loss, that's the red line, is neutral. But right now, we may say that the down move, which we were looking for earlier in February, looks like it might be kicking in now. So look, as I said last week, look for the market to dip a little bit here. We're not looking for a bear market. We're not looking for a correction, but a total of maybe 3 to 5%. Asset allocation. Money is coming into the stock market from the bond market. So once again, smart money selling. Dumb money from the bond market is coming into the stock market as well. Risk. The market wants more risk, so they're buying NASDAQ stocks. So they're shifting out of Dow and S&P type stocks. They're buying NASDAQ stocks. But remember, it's dumb money, not smart money. Global shares doing well. Yield curve skyrocketing higher. Now, this is long-term bullish for the stock market and for the economy. But remember that this is almost a 1-year leading indicator. So what it's saying is a year from now, the market will do well. And we're getting up to a level that's quite good, 1.3. That's a pretty good level. I like that. That's getting very, very positive. We went for a long time where it was just a little bit positive. And then we went through this whole period, like from April to August to September, where it was very small positive, which really isn't going to have a big impact on the market. But a 130 yield curve is good enough to really jack up the stock market next year. This is a leading indicator of the stock market. You watch Wall Street Winners every week because you want leading indicators of the stock market. You don't want the old crappy blah, blah, blah that everybody else uses. Bonds collapsing. Well, you know that. I keep telling you that. Smart money is continuing to sell the bond market. Look for it to head lower. Remember that this chart here, we're seeing both the short end go down and the long end go up. Very interesting. So, okay, our indicators, look at them, except for the gold market, which is the gold line up at the top. Commodity prices skyrocketing. 10-year yields in Germany skyrocketing. This is putting pressure on the U.S. bonds, and the U.S. bonds what they're doing is that they're increasing the supply of bonds, the Treasury, and decreasing the supply of Treasury bills. So the bond issuance is up. They're looking to increase it by $320 billion this year. And then it's probably going to be higher because of the incredible budget deficits that we're going to have this year of, a few $1 trillion. I mean, what's a few trillion between friends? But so we're going to see a big increase in bond issuance. The Fed is allowing the yield curve to steepen. This is very bullish for the economy, very bullish for the stock market a year from now. Okay, dollar, chop, chop, chop. Gold breaks to new lows. Now, it stabilized once it broke the lows that we had made in late November. But look at the price action since the beginning of the year. It's gone from, let's call it 1960 to 1760, $200 an ounce. So much for the Johnny One Notes. When you see the ads on TV, please cover your ears and go la, 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 la. Do not listen to them. Okay, gold key indicators, neutral. We've got the bottom panel very bearish. We got the middle panel quite bullish, and the top panel is clearly neutral. So when you have all three indicators a dog's breakfast, what should we do as investors? Do nothing. It's not a clear bull market. It's not really a clear bear market either. So what do we do in the gold market? We sit on our hands. Crude oil made new highs on this move, new multi-year highs, and then kind of sold off. The Saudis have said that they're going to increase production, I think at the beginning of March, by 1 million barrels a day. So it should cap it here, and in the $60 range, you should start to see the Americans come on stream, although I haven't heard that they have yet. So I don't think we can get much further above this, but demand is really starting to pick up. Bitcoin, we told you to be long. I'm personally not long on this breakout, but we told you that the purple predictor was bullish. It's still bullish. We're still in a bull market. You got to be long Bitcoin right now. Stop loss should be a long way away. You got to let this thing have some room to move because it's going to move quite a bit. All right, freebies, love having you here for our quick snapshot of what's going on in the market. The purpose of this for freebies is to get you focused on the big moves. What most people do is they make a mistake and focus on the trees, but it's the forest that gives you the big money in the marketplace. So freebies, we focus on the big picture here to keep you on the right side of the market. Fully paid up members get more advanced insights into the market, and they also get specific trade recommendations to make money from these big moves. So it's well worth subscribing at a peanut price. All right, fully paid up members, hang on just 1 second.
Some folks in the market to fix and fuss it. I'm in the market because I want to crush it. I'm a money-making machine. Yes, I'm a money-making machine. You see, I do what I say, and I say